For most of my adult life, I have lived in a suitcase. First in the skies as a flight attendant, then at sea, sailing on merchant navy ships as supernumerary. My life was always moving, always between places. And now, I'm here in Singapore. No uniform, no schedule, a new mom. This video isn't an explanation and it's not a goodbye to the sea. It's a pause. A moment to acknowledge that I have moved from skies to ships and now into rebuilding. I don't have a clear plan yet, but I know I want to grow creatively and personally. Flying often felt like being on a paid vacation. I was moving from one city to another across different parts of the world. People talk about leaving a 9-to-5 job to travel, but for me, that was already part of my life. Imagine waking up early in the morning, say around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, getting ready and then heading to London for a flight, sometimes Paris, Rome. Whatever the destination, I was always excited to explore. We flight attendants used to trade flights as if we own the cities, saying, "Hey, I have Paris, I want Istanbul, can we trade?" You meet people from everywhere and from every walk of life, royalty, celebrities, athletes. And you learn a lot without realizing it. How to stay calm, how to handle situations, how to respond when things don't go as planned. Flying changes you in quiet ways. There's a quote I've always liked. Once you have tasted flight, you'll always look up at the sky. That's true for me. Those were my flying days. And then the time came when I had to say bye-bye to flying and I started sailing. Wow. There are 23 to 25 people on board and everyone has assigned responsibilities to make sure the ship is running safely. Time doesn't move the way it does on land. Days aren't busy, they're monotonous. You are cut off from the world. Sometimes it makes it easier to focus and let go of distractions to find clarity, but it can also get lonely. And what was I doing there? I was listening to stories. I was watching everyone. Understanding the life, understanding where these people come from and how we are united. If you're curious to see how people get off the ship while it's still sailing, look to the left. There's a ladder and people climb down into a small boat. Check it out. So cool, right? When land is far off, it's fun watching other ships passing by. हाँ, मैं शादी करके शिप में जाना चाहती हूँ और मैं वहाँ बोर होना चाहती हूँ। लेकिन जब कुछ भी नहीं होगा करने को, 2 GB 3 महीने के लिए चलाना पड़ेगा, राइट? बाहर निकलूंगी पहले दिन I'll be like, wow, what a weather. I can see stars. पानी कितना सुंदर. 2 दिन, तीसरे दिन मैं बोलूँगी shit यार, कहाँ फंस गई मैं. और 1 महीने के बाद मैं रोना चाहती हूँ कि यार बेबी कहाँ लेके आ गया मुझे, प्लीज छोड़ के आ जाए, जमीन कहाँ है, I'm missing land. I'm gonna do that. Yes. The time has arrived for us to sign off. It's Diwali tomorrow. Are we excited? No, because I wanted to stay on board for a little longer. Yeah, but yeah, it is what it is. So we have to go back and then leave in some time.